Okay, so I'm attempting to do a weekend or Saturday vlog with me. So I'm going to the mall with my friend. So I'm going to be vlogging my Saturday. And don't mind my mask in the background. Like, I have 50 black masks because I love these black masks. Like, they are so comfortable. But anyway, I already did my makeup and I did my hair. And yes, I still wear makeup even though we have to wear masks because it just makes me feel good. So yes, I did my makeup and I did my hair. I might add some more curls to my hair, and I have to get dressed and then go pick up my friend. But I am dressed and I'm about to head out and get my friend, and we're about to go to the mall. All right, so I am dressed and I am ready to go. Okay guys, so now I'm on my way to go pick up my friend. And y'all might hear me cursing because people don't know how to drive, like, at all. And I'm coming down the block now and it's a car just parked in the middle of the street. Like, what are you doing? Like, what? Maybe I can't come down here. See, now I gotta back out, y'all.
Sorry. God damn it! What the fuck? What happened? The fuck?
This is the foolery I'm talking about. Like, now I gotta back up because I can't come down this street. Like, no signs telling me that you can't come down there. Like, I swear to God, like, I hate driving sometimes. Like, because people just do whatever they want to do on the road. So I am at my friend's house. I'm just waiting for her to come out. I literally text her, I'm on my way. And then literally a minute later, I text her, I'm here. I know she probably like, what the hell? I'm good, how are you? Okay, thank you.
Oh wait, I gotta get a mask.
Okay. Brittany forgot her mask, so now she's running back inside. There's a car behind me. I'm kind of like holding up traffic, but I don't feel like going all the way back around. I know I was just complaining about people who don't know how to drive, and I'm over here doing the same thing, like holding up traffic. There's a car behind me. I feel bad, but like I'm not going all the way around. Like, I'm vlogging today, so say hi to my camera.
Hey y'all.
I like your hair.
Thank you, girl. I had to take it out. I'm gonna take it out soon.
Wait,
though.
you had to take it out?
I gotta take it out.
Oh, you had to take it out. Okay.
Yeah, cause some of the hair is like coming out.
So we're pulling up to the mall. I need to fix my hair.
Yeah, y'all like my hair?
Look at her hair. It's cute. I need to try something different. Like. But yes, we're pulling up from these food trucks. Like, it's COVID.
Corona.
That's the last thing y'all should be having out here is a food truck.
Yes.
But yeah, so my friend Brittany, she has a YouTube channel as well. So y'all need to go subscribe.
Lovely Britt 4.
And we're going to the mall because she's a shopaholic.
Okay, ladies, you know what this means.
She loves shopping.
Look, y'all.
She loves shopping.
I love clothes. Like, I love going shopping, y'all. I'm definitely a shopaholic.
Yes, she's a shopaholic. I like clothes too, but I gotta, like, you know, have discipline.
But you can get some nice shoes for like maybe like $10.
Yes, I got the that's where I get my Chelsea boots from. Oh my god, they're so cute. My Chelsea boots. All right, guys, we're about to go into the store.
Yep.
First, we gotta get something to eat. I think first we're gonna eat because
we're hungry. We're starving.
We're starving. Yeah.
Hopefully Chick-fil-A is open.
Yes, and I do have to have my mask. Love this mask. Like, oh my god, what's up here? Feels so good.
These are cute. Y'all like these?
Those are cute.
These are cute.
But look, Brittany's about to hold on. Brittany's about to buy some Uggs, and she's in here looking at these boots in Primark.
You wanted to get the sweater.
So last time I was here, I was looking at this one. Isn't this cute?
That's
like
cute. I like that. I like the color.
I like this one. So you know what? I'm getting this one.
Yeah, that's cute. And you can wear that like during like a Christmas or New Year's, whatever.
See, I have to kind of dress up for work, so this would be like a dressy with some dress pants.
And that's cute. That's cute.
So yeah.
That's cute. And how much is that?
$18, y'all.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah. All right. Do you see anything else you like? Let's see. What about these hats? See, I don't really mess with hats.
Nah, I be sweating too much.
Take your hat off and your hair is like my hair will be everywhere. They had more sweaters last time I was here. They got Christmas sweaters.
Oh no.
I was always ready. For Christmas, this would be cute though.
No.
Yes, it would.
No.
It would be cute. Strictly for Christmas, to get you like in the spirit. I think this would be cute.
That would be like an ugly sweater
Christmas sweater, yeah. That would be
event.
perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, they got some leather jackets. I got enough of those.
Oh, they're cute. That's cute.
This is cute though, right? They had more sweaters last time. What happened? I don't even know. Oh, here's some over here. Oh, so last time I was here, I got this one. The yellow one.
Oh, that's, you like turtlenecks?
It's not a turtleneck.
Oh.
But yeah, I do like turtlenecks, girl. Turtlenecks are what? Turtlenecks are in.
I do not like turtlenecks.
At all?
At all.
What?
I feel like I'm getting choked.
Yeah, I like turtlenecks.
I do not like turtlenecks.
This is actually cute.
That's cute.
Yeah.
They got them in different colors, y'all.
Yes, I like the olive. This olive one is nice.
That's pretty.
Oh, I had got this one too, but I got this one in black when I was here last time. And that's about it. All right, guys.
Hey guys.
So Brittany, tell them what we did.
I got this here.
Yes, I got my third hole. You see it? It is popping.
I love it.
Okay.
I love it.
I love it too. I was supposed to record inside the mall, but listen, it's very hard. These masks and trying to get in and out, it's hard to record.
Yes.
So, you know, we did decide to get our ears pierced.
Yes.
And now we're going into Famous Footwear.
Yes.
Because she want to shop some more. You know, she's a shopaholic.
No,
so,
I gotta get some boots, y'all, because I don't got none. I don't have none.
She has a whole bunch of boots. I'm pretty sure she does. But we're going inside of Famous Footwear. And yes, you have to go there and you have to check it out. All right? Check it out.
So see y'all later.
Bye. y'all. So we in the store. Brittany is getting Crocs, and she's getting. Uh-oh, it's about to fall. And she's getting these 2 pairs of bare paws. She's just shopping until she dropping, and now she almost dropped.
Wait, I'm trying to put my shoe on. Alright, you ready?
Yes.